right, so Steve wanted to
The revolution will be live.
the wheel almost come up, right? He's probably feeling it out.
He's coming back. He's coming back. He literally turned around really close.
That dog lunge out at me?
Where?
No, right there. The dog lunged out. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like,
I saw the wheel almost come up right here.
Yeah, actually, in second gear, I cracked it like 75% throttle. I just don't want to piss people off.
Nah, I know.
I cracked it like 75% throttle in second gear, and I did crack it full throttle in third gear.
Yeah.
And it feels good.
Actually,
it's actually a lot of fun. But something with all this power, I mean, it's not for like small streets. It's for like the highway.
No,
we were saying that. Yeah.
Like, you know,
but this bike,
there's no space for the power here.
For a seaside run.
You hear that? You hear that? You guys send me this.
If I had this bike for a seaside run,
right? Hey. The stamp of approval.
It feels like my ZX14, but faster. Faster as in the throttle response is quicker, and it builds power quicker.
Right.
Like you don't. There's absolutely no lag.
Right.
Like once you're up there, there's no lag.
I noticed the difference.
Like a regular 14, you have a little bit of lag.
Like the dip.
Yeah, like a little bit of lag. This has no lag, and you crack it, and it's just boom like that, and it just takes
so
off.
It goes to show you, I'm still like in the hands.
It feels good.
In the hands of the right rider, this thing.
Yeah, it's you don't actually feel the crazy horsepower until you kind of start riding.
Yeah, 7,000, 8,000 RPM. That's when it wakes up.
Yeah, like that's the difference between a stock 14 and like that bike is after like 7,000 RPMs, and if you're on the highway doing third gear pulls, like it'll pull really, really hard.
Yeah.
Compared to like a standard 14.
And one thing I learned last night, you can't be timid, but you gotta chop it. You gotta go all the way.
Yeah.
But you know, the seaside run, you'll see.
But what was your numbers last night?
100.
YouTube fam, quick follow-up to the quantum fuel pump upgrade video I did. Like I said, it's going to be a short, raw, unedited, straight to the point. I actually wanted to go over some of the things Carpenter Carpenter did for me. If you were seeing some stuff in prior videos that I had parts that I needed to put in there while the motor was open, I went ahead and had some stuff done. Just with the exception of this, I'm still on the fence because I like the look of this, but some have reported that they tend to leak, and I'm gonna have to get some consultation on this. But as you can see, Zeus is back home. All right, and let's see. I'm gonna show you. These are the stock OEM cams that came from the factory from Kawasaki. All right, so Carpenter gave me all my old parts back, but just showing you a couple of things. My cam chain was apparently chinked or having on the way out with all this stuff. I was at 30,000 miles by the time it got there. So remember the shift star from Evo Pro? This is the OEM that was removed. So just going through some inventory and parts. All right, so just looking at the old retainer spring. All right, and the most important piece, the oil pump cover. This is the OEM that comes with the bike, and you see how thin that is. Also too, I noticed now with my upgrades in the bike, there used to be the issue with the catch filling up on the one heavy pull that I did on the return home video. That like I said, depending on what order I upload this, you'll see, like when I would do the red line, sometimes oil will be caught up in there, but for some reason it stays bone dry. So I guess I was just at that point where it was time to do the maintenance and everything. But this is all that came out of the bike, and just letting you vlogging and whatnot. So I'm gonna keep these, but that stock oil pump cover will never go back in there. Same thing with the shift star. Also with the OEM, if you see how high the points are, if you're racing or using a quick shifter, a lot of times it doesn't go all the way. If you can see, the one that I showed in the other video, I might splice this together, we'll see. But sometimes you can get false shifts and miss a gear. It's happened to me on a couple races, so this had to, but you see, even with the teeth, the ones that are in the bike now are beefier. Like literally I didn't spare anything when it came to the bike. But this is all Zeus's old inventory. Just want to kind of show you a little something with it. So like I said, quick video. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.
Ha 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 ha!